Let's learn notes number 1 and number 2. So the first note is right up here. This is B flat, okay? So you can tell it's on the third line of the staff and it has a flat symbol in front of it, so B flat, okay? Before we ever learn a new note, the first thing we always do is check to see if we have good 3 points of balance, okay? So remember, our first point is our chin, the edge of our lip plate hole to the lip line, okay? Our X marks the spot on our left hand right here, right in between the first 2 keys of the flute, pulling gently back towards my body, and then my right thumb on the back of the flute. And this allows me to balance and have all of my fingers up, okay? Now let's take a look at the fingering chart right above me for B flat, okay? The first thing I'm gonna do is push down my thumb key on the back. So remember, the thumb key is this long, skinny one. Don't push down this big fat one yet, we'll use that later. But for now, just this long, skinny one, okay? That's my thumb key. And then I have my first finger on my left hand, and then my first finger on my right hand, and my pinky on the teardrop key down here. Not these ones down here with the rollers, this one, okay? If you push down these ones, the note won't come out. Gotta push down this one, okay? So this is what B flat sounds like. Try it with me. Good. Now, you might accidentally get the same note but higher up. It'll sound like this. Okay, if that happens, to get it to go to the lower note, what you need to do is pretend that you have baby carrots in between your teeth. Have a nice open jaw, okay, and relax your air a little bit so that you get the slow note. Great, okay? Let's look now at the note C right above me, okay? That's on the third space, C. Now, for this note, it's really important that we have great 3 points of balance. So check your 3 points of balance. Make sure you can hold the flute with no fingers touching except for this right thumb back here, okay? Your fingers are not on, my thumb is not on the keys, my fingers are not touching the rods or the keys of the flute, okay? And this allows us to gently put our fingers down for C. Okay, so for C on my left hand, I'm going to put down my first finger, but I am leaving my thumb off the flute on my left hand, okay, and then my pinky on my right hand. And this is what C sounds like. Try it. Great, nice job. All right, and those are 2 notes.